welcome to the low mid budget watch report. And today I'm going to unbox the twin sensor Casio. And this is how the box looks like. It's a Casio box for these type of Casio watches. And the watch is on a podium like this, or a pedestal. I don't know what you call it. Podium. It's a podium maybe. And it's nice. You can have it in your on your bookshelf or on your table or whatever. And this is how the watch looks like. Very nice. And it's a twin sensor watch, which means it has a compass and it also measures the temperature. It's a thermometer watch. Well, I will try it on and see how it fits. Looks very nice. Maybe I will use my left hand for this. No, I will use my right hand for this watch. And this is how it looks on the wrist. Fits like a schmick. Looks very nice and it feels very nice. The strap is top-notch rubber plastic, and the watch is made, the case is made of aluminium and the back is stainless steel, and it is water resistant to 200 meters. And this is how the compass works. First you have to install it, or you have to calibrate it, which is a little bit pain, but when you've done that you'll have to push that button and you will see the compass arrow, and it will show you which direction you go to. And it's pretty annoying that you'll have to push this every time you want to see the direction. If I could choose, I would have the compass on all the time, but the company made it that you'll have to push it so the battery will last longer. I would prefer a shorter lifetime of the battery, and that the compass will always show which way you need to go in the woods, probably, or at the sea, I don't know. Well, it's a very cool watch. And now let's get into the measurements of the watch. The watch is 13 millimeters thick, and it's from lug end to lug end 51.5 millimeters. And the case is around 47.5 millimeters in diameter, and the strap is let's check. The strap is 24 millimeter strap at the shortest point, 90 millimeter. But it doesn't really matter because you can't change the strap with a random strap, because Casio has made this mechanism that I think it only fits for these type of straps. Maybe you can change it if you struggle, but I wouldn't do that. I would not change this strap. And the buckle is made of plastic, but it's a very nice strap, and the buckle is okay. It's cool. It's a very nice looking watch for the price, at least under $100 or €100. I actually don't remember what I bought this for, but maybe 900 crowns. That's approximately €90 or $90. I don't know, but it's pretty cheap watch, and you get a solid, cool watch with a battery time of like 3 years, and it's a built-in compass and a thermometer. I don't know how the thermometer works. I haven't looked through all the manuals and specs about the watch, but at least the compass works. It was a pain to calibrate it, and it's water resistant, as I told you before. So you can swim and dive with this. Yeah, and let's take a closer look at the watch. And this is how the watch looks up close. Very nice details, very well made. Excellent Casio watch. It looks like a real expensive watch for the price of. Here you can see it's made in China, like most Casio watches these days. Stainless steel back, water resistance 20 bar, and yeah, it feels nice. It's about 50 gram, 55 gram. This is how it looks in the dark. As you can see, it shows the time clearly, but it shows the time for a very short period of time. I wish it could last a little bit longer. Well, what more can I tell about this watch? It's the time teller go-to watch when trying not to get robbed in Los Angeles. As you know, Los Angeles is the inspiration for the game Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. So maybe if you visit Los Angeles, you could wear this type of watch. And it's very nice to have a watch like this if you don't have a compass and you get lost in the, for example, big great Swedish woods. If you get lost in the ocean, maybe this is a good go-to watch too. I prefer a watch just telling the time. I don't like all the technical details about I don't like to calibrate a watch. I don't want a watch to get complicated. My life is complicated as it is. But it's a 8 out of 10 because it looks damn cool, and I would give it a 10 out of 10 if I was a real tech nerd. If I cared about the compass and the thermometer, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10, but I don't need those. I just want simple watches and low budget watches, but still good enough to take a dive with them. Well, it's a great watch. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. Yes, that's all. Have a very nice and calm day. Peace.